Hello friends and welcome back to the TechLithian channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI 2 MAG Infinite S3 gaming PC for new gamers. So friend, MSI has announced two new desktop PC with the MAG Infinite S3 series tailored for those entering the world of PC gaming, and the MAG Infinite S3 series feature a sleek black chassis accented by RGB illumination line on the front panel. A user can optimize the lighting effect using the pre-installed MSI Center software and thanks to support for MSI Mystic Light technology. And this model is powered by Intel Core i7 14700F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, and it utilizes Intel H610 chipset and comes with 16 GB DDR5 memory, and storage is handled by 1 TB M.2 NVMe SSD, and the higher-end model is priced at 2590, and it features NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super graphics card, and it also offers increased memory with capacity up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and both models share the same network capabilities including Gigabit Ethernet port, IEEE 802.11ac Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.3. For video output, there are three DisplayPort 1.4 port and one HDMI 2.1 port. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.